Hello friends, now after a long time I am creating these videos. So we will continue our accounting project. So take just a small look, enter the username Amir and password 123. Now our previous tutorial was on expense form, that is money outward or money expense. Here it is. It is completed. Now we have to create the income form. Means here it is. So actually the money income is the company which borrows or money which comes to that form. Just you have to copy all the content of the expenses form to the income form. So just change the formatting. Make the theme to dark to light. And display has a header as a true, control box true. Okay, so just go ahead to the expenses form, copy all the content and go ahead to the income and just paste it. Okay, now the calculation is totally opposite as expenses form. In the expenses just toggle it and all this. First of all, in the income form, first exit the namespaces using system.data.oldb for connectivity. Second, using system.data for audio. Yes, and also for connectivity. Below the class, save it. Again, also for the configuration manager. Okay, there is already a data system details, so just remove the data configuration. Okay, and okay, just view, right click, go to the go to definition, just copy this and paste. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, but over here we want income, where e-date and all the same. Now this is the database. Now here it is, our database. Now this is the expense table and this is the income table. Now we have to just copy and paste all the table. So just click on the table, click on the design view, copy all content and right click and click on the design view. Just click on the top left corner and paste it. Yes. Okay, do as a primary key. Okay, Okay, just also change do it to income id inc or income id. Okay, everything is same, just copy and close it. Okay, go ahead to the coding, and now you have to just copy all the content, that is delete, save, close. Okay, I will copy and paste all the content, so just stay tuned. So okay, I have copied all the content of the expenses form to the income form. Just the remaining is that we have to change the name of from in expense to income in the coding. I'll show you. Here in the save button, the name of our table is income, so we have to change just from expense to income. Okay, and also here, okay, there is only close button. And delete, also change from expense to income. Okay, and also here it is income id. As you know, we have changed from income id. Okay, and also here, and over here also just change from, okay, click over here, go to definition, income. Okay, everything same, and also go ahead to the main form. Over here, invert, just change the name to invert to income, or invert or in the money outward or expense. Double click on it, and over here just write down income from IN. Okay, sorry, it is data time, INC. INC dot show. Okay, now do again some adjustment. Topmost row as a true, it will visible to the topmost of the form. Then show type arrow shadow, it will give the shadows effect on the border. And keep you preview also true. After we click on the escape button, it will close. And border style, make it as a fixed single, it will show the border. Just run it. Enter the name, password. Okay, now it is looking good. Just write on type maybe borrow, means company is borrowing something, money from particular, like this. Or okay, just successful. Second type should be opening amount. Opening amount of the company is 50,000. Just save it. Okay, now you can also delete it. Just click on it, do a delete. Yes, okay, yes, it is working. Close. Now our next form would be now everything is completed. Now deposit and general ledger is remaining, I think so. Okay, so the next part is our general ledger, or we have to complete our deposit. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day.